Adékọ̀yà, mo sì jẹ́ olùkọ́ èdè Yorùbá. Lónìí mo fẹ́ kọ́ yín ní orúkọ kan tí à ń pè ní Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe. Hello everybody, my name is Ìbùkúnolúwa Adékọ̀yà, and I would like to teach you a song titled Clean Up Your Environment. Alright, this is how it goes. Allow me to sing it first. Here we go, and with the demonstrations as well. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, èyí ni Jésù fẹ́. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá. Ìmọ́tótó borí àrùn, bọ́yẹ̀ ń borí ooru. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, èyí ni Jésù fẹ́. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá. Ìmọ́tótó borí àrùn, bọ́yẹ̀ ń borí ooru. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's practice it together. Here we go. Here we go. It says, Palẹ̀mọ́, and Palẹ̀mọ́ means clean up, right? Or clean up the ground, to be more specific. And then it says, túnléṣe. Túnléṣe means clean up the house. So you can say clean up the ground, clean up the house. And then I say, èyí ni Jésù fẹ́, which means this is what Jesus loves. And then I say again, clean up the environment, clean up the house. Listen to Yoruba proverbs, or the Yoruba proverb. And then the Yoruba proverb says, ìmọ́tótó borí àrùn, bí ọyẹ́ borí ooru. Do you get it? It means that just as cleanliness overcomes sickness, sickness, then ọyẹ́ is cold or harmattan. It overcomes heat, ooru. Like when we say ooru mu, oh, it's so hot in this place. Anyway, and then we sing it again. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá, or ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. And one special thing about the online camp that we're having is that we're going to be teaching people how to do Yoruba culture in every place. So that's why the song ends with ṣe àṣà Yorùbá, and that means practice Yoruba culture. So let's sing it again. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, èyí ni Jésù fẹ́. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá. Ìmọ́tótó borí àrùn, bọ́yẹ̀ ń borí ooru. Palẹ̀mọ́ túnléṣe, ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. So let me give you the time to practice it and get those your scrubbing brushes for your toilets and get ready to sing. All right, so I'm gonna slow down and sing it slowly. Palẹ̀mọ́. Do you want to repeat just every word after me? Palẹ̀mọ́. Right. Túnléṣe. Èyí ni Jésù fẹ́. Palẹ̀mọ́. Túnléṣe. Gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá. That's right. Well done. Ìmọ́tótó borí àrùn, Ìmọ́tótó ń borí àrùn. Can you sing it? That's correct. Well done. Bọ́yẹ̀ ń borí ooru. Wow, you can sing so well. Palẹ túnléṣe, ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. I will sing it one more time and then I'm gonna give you the floor. Now take your karaoke mics and begin to sing with your scrubbing brushes. That's right. Let me sing. Palẹ túnléṣe, èyí ni Jésù fẹ́. Palẹ túnléṣe, gbọ́ òwe Yorùbá. Ìmọ́tótó ń borí àrùn, bọ́yẹ̀ ń borí ooru. Palẹ túnléṣe, ṣe àṣà Yorùbá. Now sing it. Well done, I'm so proud of you. I am excited for you to come join us at Ìpàgọ́ Èdè Yorùbá lórí ìtàkùn àgbáyé. That is the Yoruba online language camp that's happening June 2nd to August 31st. We'll have 1 hour weekly classes for Yoruba learners of all ages and proficiency levels. And we can also have 25-minute individual sessions upon requests. Click the link below to be able to register, and we'll see you soon. Bye.